For so long I walked alone through the valleys of my days, praying Jah would guide my footsteps and lead my heart through life's maze. Then I met you in the crowd, and everything began to change. What seemed like just another moment became a lifetime rearranged. One look from your eyes touched my soul so deep, a blessing sent from Jah above, a memory I'll always keep. Your smile shine like the morning sun after a long and stormy night. From the moment our hearts connected, everything felt so right. Love was waiting all this time for me, where our hearts would meet. Jah was guiding every step I made, until your love carried my fears away. Love was waiting through the lonely years, through every prayer and through every tear. Selling flowers by the roadside, singing softly with the breeze. I stopped to buy a single blossom, but your love brought me to my knees. We talked until the sunset faded, shared our hopes and all our dreams. Every word felt so natural, like a river flowing to the sea. Jah brought us together in His perfect time, two wandering hearts united in a love so pure and fine. Love was waiting all this time for me, hidden in the place where our hearts would meet. Jah was guiding every step I made, until your love carried my fears away. Oh, love was waiting through the lonely years, through every prayer and through every tear. Now I'm standing with you by my side, wrapped in your love, my heart's open wide. Love was waiting, waiting for me. Love was waiting, just set me free. Years may come and seasons change, but my love will always stay, like the roots beneath the banyan tree, growing stronger every day. When I hold your hand beside me, I give thanks to Jah above, for the day we met among the crowd and found this endless love. Love was waiting all this time for me, hidden in the place where our hearts would meet.